तो एक बहुत ही अच्छे प्लेयर हैं, गोवा से खेलते हैं एंड ही इज़ राइट नाउ इन जयपुर प्लेइंग द विजय हज़ारे ट्रॉफी। और उनका नाम है स्नेहल गौतंकर। ही इज़ जस्ट हिट अनदर सेंचुरी टुडे। उन्होंने विजय हज़ारे ट्रॉफी की शुरुआत भी एक सेंचुरी के साथ करी थी एंड ही इज़ अ वेरी टैलेंटेड प्लेयर। लास्ट ईयर वो इंडिया के डोमेस्टिक सर्किट के सबसे ज़्यादा रन बनाने वाले प्लेयर थे एंड पिछले कुछ टाइम से आई हैव टोल्ड यू इवन इन माई टीवी शो खेल खेल में कि ऐसे प्लेयर्स को ऐसे कुछ जो भी एथलीट्स हैं कंट्री के, आई विल ट्राई एंड टॉक टू देम एंड पुश देम। उनकी लाइमलाइट उनको थोड़ी मिले जिन लोगों ने अच्छे परफॉर्मेंसेस दिए हैं पिछले कुछ समय में। सो हे यू गो, आई हैड अ ब्रीफ चैट विद हिम ऑन द न्यू ईयर्स ईव, अभी 31 तारीख को, ऑन द डे ऑफ गोवा एंड मुंबई मैच। हालांकि वो मैच हार गए, आज भी वो हार गए मैच, बट स्नेहल गौतंकर बहुत अच्छा खेल रहे हैं। See what he is up to and just try and know him a little more. Check out this interview. Snehal, welcome to the show and congratulations first of all the way you began with Vijay Hazare. Unfortunately you lost, but how's the preparation coming along?
Preparation has been really good since the time from Ranji Trophy till Vijay Hazare. We didn't get much time, but the team atmosphere and the team how we are gelling, it's really good to see. And I think the preparation wise has been really good. Short period of time, but everybody knows their strength. Everybody has been working together, so I think that really helps us because we have been playing cricket. I mean, all these guys, like from under 16 to under 19, all of them are playing cricket together. So I think that give us more clarity to like go ahead in this tournament.
Great. What about your own form? What would you say? You started really well with the century.
Yeah,
So what would you say? What's
been in a good touch right now. I mean, first inning, first match I got 100, and then now I've been in a good touch, but unfortunately I got out today. Really good wicket to bat on today, but eventually it will come 100% because I know my inning, I know my strength, so it will come 100%.
you think you are still, even after these scores, you think you're in good nick? You've got good rhythm going?
Yes, I've been practicing, I've been playing matches, so I've been in this system from so long. So it's just about mindset, how it works. That's it.
And you had a fantastic season last year, the 300 you got and that, almost record partnership that you had.
Yes.
How do you feel at such moments, when these things happen? Do you think, these records actually help you, gain that kind of confidence, or they're just, part and parcel of, your game itself that happens? But what's your feeling like when, such things happen?
It helps, but we don't plan to make any record or anything like that. But definitely it helps when you get that success, like when you score 300 and eventually you are a highest run scorer for India. So I think that we just follow the process and everything else follows. So I think that gives us lots of confidence as a player. So I think.
And anything special that you're doing for the upcoming season after this, for the next Ranji season that's there, what's your preparation like?
So-
The distinction that's there between the longer format and then, moving to the shorter formats, what's the difference in preparation for you specifically?
So I think first, I think these three matches are there. We, as a team, we want to qualify, and for myself also, I want to be a highest run scorer for like in this format. So I think that is my first target, and then going into the Ranji Trophy, we have two matches left, and we still have a good chance to qualify. And yes, I think it will be a good season.
And your own form in the Ranji Trophy, what would you say about that? You think you're striking well and
Yes,
how do you see that?
got couple of 50s against Punjab and then couple of year and not good decisions, but it happens in the game. But yes, I've been in a good touch, so I think eventually it will come 100%. It will come 100.
And how's the the city Jaipur that you're here now for the last few days? Have you seen some of the places around? What's your feeling like?
No, I really love Jaipur because last time even I visited, I saw some few fort and all these places like whatever famous in Jaipur. So I really love this place. Pretty cold, but yes, loving it. I think all three matches we played well. Even this match, just here and there, I think few departments. I think if we do well, then 100% will win the next game. I not plan anything as of now, but yes, everybody is doing really well, and we are very pretty confident that will qualify. And the main goal is to qualify.
Great.
Yes.
So, and word on Sarfraz's innings. What would you do? You think, he's playing really well, and is there anything that you feel that you can take out of his innings in your own batting form?
Yes, 100%. He has got a lot of experience from his cricket life, and he played for Mumbai, played with all the legend. So I think he has a lot of experience back. And then from his inning, I think the way he attacked the bowlers and the way he's just going after the bowlers, I think that gave us a lot of confidence that okay, we can also do this. So I think there are a lot of things to learn from him, and yes.
So, and the last question I would ask you is, is there any goal that you set for this coming year, 2026? Is there any aim that you have, that you want to fulfill?
No, not really, but yes, maybe tonight I'll 100%.
All the very best.
Yes.
May you have a great year, and hopefully we will see you in the national side. Hopefully very soon,
yes,
and have a great rest of the Vijay Hazare Trophy.
Thank you
And,
so much.
hopefully Goa will do really well.
Yes.
All the very best, and happy 2026.
Thank you so much.